Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke Orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Kaseng samla waing do Shillong ha ka khat sautrik unai lor arjar khat khandai kalapun kuburam da ka khusnam ya ki samla pule ki basong basa hapo upur usam jong snong waing do ki bala pas ba ha ki examine boper bagun thup nado ka kadan pule class 10 but class 12 ha ka secondary school leaving secondary school leaving certificate, higher secondary school leaving certificate, Indian school certificate examination, but Central Board of Secondary Education jong usnam arjar khat khandai, but kuntubru ya ki samla pule ha ka kadan degree level. Hakani ke jingpun ku buram lai don lang u MLA jong North Shillong constituency uba Adelbert Nongrum uba lalong u Kongsan bat u rangba shnong ka waing do uba Ronjit S Marbanyang bat u MDC gamau khar pentorum kra uba PNCM kiba lalong ki sembut Kongsan bat kiwe
ngai ku blai kerpam ni por hamtam ki ordi kiba blayo ini khusnam bade namar ke jing tresh tong bujong pi ni namar ke jing minat ke jong pi bonong klan ki la jong ki be kwa wanung klan ru ik no hikai ki me ki pa ni bo shem ya ka jong blai ki no hikai pat ki shem ya ka jong ki me ki pa kani ni ke mau bade badlong bor ki ba song nam da jong wanu ban ko ala dia ka jing sarong mala poi ni position Pwede posisi cak tapi rumah tangga don. Hai. Ngaru, ngadi berken mau di ngadi berpej ni posisi mau don mau di ngadi pej ke posisi jom jam beri rumah tangga don. Hai. Kat panang ki, kat tanang ngam. Mlong sukan ki. Ngadi kadang di cingom pan. Bawa ki pergi berang kecingin. Abang ki kita berbayar iman kecil tu beri sungiru. Kasyong padangi we kum nu nyarap. Ban ban kelepan. Yang kecil tu beri kabangi Nang hiar asuk ke dalam kibor kan mikisi.
Take your burden to the Lord, oh leave it there. If you trust Him through your doubt, He will surely bring you out. Take your burden to the Lord, leave it there. If your body suffers pain and your health you can't regain, and your soul is slowly sinking in despair, Jesus knows the pain you feel. He can save and He can heal. Take your burden to the Lord, leave it there. Leave it there.